What if 3 simple ingredients could help transform dry, rough, frizzy hair into hair that looks smoother, softer, and incredibly shiny? Today, I'm combining a powerful hair mask made with powerful ingredients that help nourish your strands, boost your hair follicles, reduce hair loss, and make your hair look 30 times better than before. For our first ingredient, we need some fresh aloe vera. I've already soaked this piece for about 10 to 20 minutes to remove the yellow sap, which is known as aloe or aloe latex. This substance can easily irritate the skin and has a very bitter taste, so soaking it first is an important step to remove it. The aloe vera is ready, and I'm gonna cut it open and grab a bowl to collect the gel. Aloe vera is well known for its moisturizing properties, helping the hair retain moisture and feel softer and easier to manage. It can also help soothe the scalp, especially when it feels dry or irritated. Now, let's extract the gel. Look at this beautiful consistency, guys. This is exactly what we want for our mask. As usual, I'm gonna crush this aloe vera first using my hands, and then I'll use a strainer to remove the leftover particles and get the gel out. And look at this beautiful smooth aloe vera gel ready to use. Now let's move on to our next ingredient, which is hibiscus. I'm going to add the dried hibiscus flowers into my grinder and grind them into a fine powder. I'm going to grind the flowers until they are completely broken down and have a nice fine consistency. Okay, let's open it and see what we have. Look at that beautiful, vibrant hibiscus powder. Hibiscus contains antioxidants and other plant compounds that make it a popular ingredient in natural hair care. It has also been traditionally used in hair treatment for its conditioning properties. Now I'm going to transfer our hibiscus powder into a small bowl. Look at how beautiful it is. We are going to add this to our mask in just a moment. Next, let's bring back our fresh aloe vera gel. I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cornstarch into the aloe vera gel. Cornstarch helps give our mask a thicker, creamier consistency and can make the mixture feel smoother and easier to work through the hair. Now I'm adding our hibiscus powder and I'm going to mix everything together really well. I want to make sure the aloe vera, cornstarch, and hibiscus are completely combined and that we have a smooth, creamy mixture. And guys, we are not done yet. To give this mask an extra boost, I'm going to add some honey. Honey is a humectant, which means it helps attract and retain moisture. In a hair mask, it can help keep the strands moisturized and reduce dryness and breakage. Now I'm going to add the honey and mix it into the mask. Next, I'm adding some vitamin E, tea tree oil, jojoba oil, and finally some castor oil. And now let's mix everything together. Mix, mix, mix. I want all of our ingredients to be evenly incorporated. And guys, look at this beautiful hair mask. Everything has come together into a rich, creamy mixture with a beautiful consistency. Before we apply the mask, let's take a closer look at what we've created. I love how all of these ingredients come together to give us a mask that feels rich, creamy, and moisturizing without being too heavy. The aloe vera gives the mask a hydrating base, while the honey helps attract moisture to the hair. The hibiscus adds its own conditioning benefits, and the oils help give the mixture that extra richness and softness. This is especially nice for hair that feels dry, rough, or difficult to manage. When your hair has been lacking moisture, a deep conditioning treatment like this can help improve the way your hair feels, making it softer, smoother, and easier to detangle. And because we're using fresh ingredients, I recommend making only what you need for one application rather than storing a homemade mixture for a long time. Now that everything is ready, let's apply this beautiful mask to the hair. Look at that! It is officially ready to use. Now let's talk about how to apply it. For best results, use this mask once a week, especially when your hair feels dry and needs extra conditioning. First, shampoo your hair and leave it damp. Then apply the mask generously from your roots all the way to your ends. Make sure every section is well coated. As you work the mask through your hair, you should feel the softness and slip, which can make detangling much easier. Once your hair is completely coated, let the mask sit for 30 to 45 minutes. When the time is up, rinse your hair thoroughly and style it as usual. And look at that beautiful, soft, smooth finish. And that's it, guys. We are all done. I hope you enjoyed making this natural hair mask with me. If you did, share this video with your family and friends so they can try it too. And do not forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up so you never miss another hair care recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.